Hi students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to learn exercise 2.8, 8th question. What is the question? Kumar write a letter to 4 of his friends. He asked each one of them copy the letter and mail to 4 different persons with the instruction that they continue the process similarly. Assuming the process is unaltered and cost rupees 2 to mail to one letter. Find the amount spent on postage when 8th set of letters is mailed. Do you understand this question? Kumar write a letter to 4 of his friends. Okay. So Kumar write a letter to 4 of his friends. Okay. He asked each one of them copy the letters. Each one of them copy the letters and mail to 4 different persons. Okay. First Kumar write a letter to 4 friends and he said to write in copy the letter and mail to 4 different persons. So next these 4 different persons they give means how much letters they will post? 16 letters they will post. Right? Next, this process is continuing. Similarly, with the different persons with the instruction that they continue the process similarly. So, this 16 members, they post a letter for 4 persons, right? So, 16 into 4, next 64 letters will be posted. Okay. Assuming the process is unaltered, and cost of rupees 2 to mail to one letter. So each letter for posting, how much amount he is spending? Rupees 2. Find the amount spent on postage when 8th set of letters is mailed. Do you understand question? Kumar write a letter to give 4 of his friends. Right? Next what they said, you have to copy these 4 letters. Each one of them he said you copy this 4 letter and of this letter and give some other different 4 persons. This process will be continued. Okay? So Kumar first 4 persons he is giving. This 4 person he is giving 16 person. This 16 persons give means 64 will come up to 8th set of letters. So up to 8th term. 8th term. Okay. Now if you write this one in geometric series wise, you will get 4 plus 16 plus 64 plus etc. to 8 terms. Do you understand? So in this series, what is A? A is 4 and R is T2 divided by T1 equal to 16 by 4 equal to 4 is greater than 1. Okay. Then n equal to 8. 8th term they given, so n equal to 8. Okay. Using this information, you have to apply the formula Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 and substitute all these values, you will get 8 set of letters. Okay. 8 set of letters you will get. So you have to find now S8. What's the value of A? A is 4. 4 into r power n. R is 4. 4 power value of n is 8 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 1. Okay. Now this is equal to S 8 equal to 4 into 4 power 8. 4 power 8. How much time we should write 4? 8 times 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 3, 6, 8. Okay, 8 times you write and multiply. Better you split this one. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 16 you know 256. 16 into 16 you know 256. So when you multiply 256 into 56, 256, you will get the answer. Right? So say 6 6 are 36, 30, 33, balance 3, 12, 15. 5 6 are 30, balance 3, 25, 28, 2, 10, 12. Again 12, balance 1, 11, balance 1, 5. So what's the answer? 6, 3, 10, 15, balance 1, 5, 6. What's the answer here? 6, 5, 5, 3, 6 divided by 2. Do you understand, students? 4 power 8 minus 1. Minus 1 here. Okay? 4 power 8. 8 times you take and you split like 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 16 we know 256. 16 into 16 256. So it's enough to multiply 256 and 256. Okay. Now this is equal to 4 into this is 65,536 minus 1 is 65,535 by 3. It is divisible by 3 I think. We say 11, 16, 18, 19, 24. 24 is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. Now say 2 3s are 6. 1 3 is 3. Balance 2 25. 6, 8 3s are 24. Balance 1 13. 4 3s are 12. Balance 1 5. 2 1 8 4 5. Okay. So when you multiply this one by 4, you will get 4 5s are 20. Balance 2 16. 18. Balance 1 32. 33. Balance 3 4 7 8. 87,380. Okay. So now yes 8 equal to 87,380. Okay. Now listen. Cost of rupees 2 to mail 1 letter. Okay. So cost of postage of 1 letter. Postage of 1 letter equal to rupees 2. They given. What they asked? Postage when find the amount spent on postage with the 8th set of letters. So it is enough to find the cost of postage of 8th set of letters. Okay. Cost of postage of 1 letter is rupees 2. Therefore, cost of postage of 8th set of letters is 87,380 into 2. Now you multiply, say the answer 0, 8 2s are 16, balance 1, 7, 0, 16, balance 1, 7, 14, balance 1, 70. So, what's the answer? Answer equal to rupees 1,70,000. 74,760. Do you understand, students? Very simple. Kumar write a letter. Kumar write a letter to 4 of his friends. The 4 of his friends gave 4 friends, so 16. Next, the 16 students give 4 members, so 64. Up to 8 times they are giving. 8% it will move. Okay. So 4 plus 16 plus 64 plus etc. to 8 terms. A equal to 4. In this series, A equal to 4, R equal to 4. Second term divided by first term. Then you have to find what they asked. Find the amount spent on the 8th set of letters. Okay. Before finding amount, first you find the 8th set of letters. So S8 you have to find like this, and then cost of postage of one letter is ₹2. Therefore, cost of postage of 8th set of letters is this value into 2. You will get 1,74,760. That's all. Understood? Okay. Now, example 253. Read the question. A person saved money every year of as much as he could in the previous year. If he had totally saved ₹7,875 in the 6th year, then how much did he save in the first year? Okay? According to the question, you have to write the values. Listen once again. A person saved money every year of as much as he could in the previous year. Here, so here R equal to, R is 1/2. Clear? Every year, a person saved money every year of as much as he could in the previous year. So R equal to 1/2, that is less than 1. Mind it. Okay. Next, if he had totally saved ₹7,875 in the 6th year, so S6 equal to 7,875. That also they given. What they said, then how much did he save in the first year? Okay, you have to find the value of the amount he saved in the first year. That is the value of A they asked. Okay, now what's the formula? Sn equal to A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R, because R is less than 1. Okay. Now, say S6 equal to, apply the values. The value of A you don't know. A into 1 minus 1/2 the whole power 6. N equal to 6. 6 divided by 1 minus 1/2. Okay. Now this is equal to A. This value S6 equal to how much? 7,875. That also you write. Now this A into 1 minus 1/2 the whole power 6. 1 power 6 is 1 and 2 power 6 is 64. 64 divided by 1 minus 1/2. 1 minus 1/2. Like this also can take. 1 minus 1/2. 1/2 only. So 1/2 equal to 7,875. Now listen students. A divided by 1/2, right? So A into reciprocal of 1 by 2, that is A into 2. A into 2. Okay. Next, 1 minus 1 by 64 equal to 7875. Okay. Now, A into 2 into 64 minus 1, that is 63, divided by 64 equal to 7875. Do you understand this one? LCM. 64 LCM 64 minus 1, that is 63 divided by 64 equal to 7875. Now 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now A into 63 by 32 equal to 7872. Next step, take the value A here and take everything there. A equal to 7875. This 32 into 32 divided by 63. Okay. Now, shall we do like this? 7875. What's the value? Fifth table. 1 5 is 5. Balance 2 28. 5 5s are 25. Balance 3 37. 7 5s are 35. Balance 2 25. 5 5s are 25. Again 2 5. 3 5s are 15. 1 5 is 5. Balance 2 25. 5 5s are 25. Again 5. 6 5s are 30. Balance 1 63. 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now this is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 63 into 32 divided by 63. Okay. This 63 and 63 will be cancelled. You will get 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. Then 125 into 32 is 10, 5, 2. Here 15, balance 1, 7, 3. So 0, 0, 0, 4. 4,000. So in the first year, how much he saved? Rupees 4,000. Okay. First year he saved. In the first year, he said first year is rupees 4,000. Do you understand, students? Very easy. Each year, previous year, comparing previous years, half of the previous year he saved. Okay. So R is 1 by 2. 6 year, after 6 years he saved 7,875. So S6 equal to 7,875. According to that values, you have to find A, that is your answer. First year saving. Clear? Thank you, students.